Hello friends, today in this tutorial, in this live stream, we will be building a Facebook group clone. So basically this is the clone that will be there. So in Facebook we have a feature called as Facebook groups. Inside that Facebook group, multiple people are there. You can participate, you can submit posts, share images, share videos as well. So basically this is a UI, kind of a UI that you see. There are various groups out there, and there is a join button there here, and if you click it you are joined to that. And there are some people out there which you see inside that group, 288 more people. So also you see these labels which are also, which signifies whether it's a public or closed group, whether it's public or a private group or closed group. You see these notification icons, which is friend requests, messages, notifications. This is hello username. This is the profile picture. All these features you see guys inside Facebook as well. So this is Facebook logo here, and this is the input search field. Here you can search for your friends. So this is not fully fleshed application. We are not connected this application to a database. So basically it's just a design that we will try to build inside this tutorial. All these icons that you see, we will try to replicate it. So this is a very good design. You can also use this design in your own application if you are building any sort of social networking website. You can change the logo here. Instead of Facebook, you can give your company name, and the rest of the design, maybe you can change some colors, but the overall design may be constant. So this will be a good starting point for your application. So you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You can just use this design, awesome little design. So the nice thing about this design is that it is completely responsive. Basically this is, now you can see on mobile phone, it is not fully responsive, but still it is usable on mobile and tablet devices. You can see that this is a profile picture. You can see this is username. These are different icons which are there. This is the logo. So if you're watching it for the very first time, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel for more awesome live streams like this. So for building this guys, I have written a complete blog post on my tutorial website, which is codingshiksha.com. So this is a blog post here. So the link of this blog post I have given in the description of this live stream. So basically this is the index.html file that you need to have here. Simply copy to clipboard all the source code. This is the single index.html file which is required for this. Simply copy paste it and you will get this design. So in this video I will be showing you step by step how I built it, showing you all the CSS properties that is used to build this design. So we are not using any sort of third-party framework such as Bootstrap, Semantic UI or Tailwind CSS. So we will be designing it from scratch using CSS. So if you're joining it for the very first time, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So let's start designing this. So first of all, I will make it side by side so that you can see properly how it is doing it. Let me make it this also like this. So now we will make a new file guys, which is facebook.html, and here we will be giving a title, Facebook group UI clone in HTML5 and CSS3. And now we will write the HTML guys step by step. So open with live server. So now you can see it is now empty, nothing is there. So we will write each section line by line and then we will style it. So first of all we will write the header section. So this will be the header section of the Facebook group. So inside this header basically we will have various icons. So these icons are material icons. So for this guys you need to include the CDN. So if you see here, you need to copy paste these two lines inside your CSS file. So basically just create a separate file here, right here after the title. Just create a file and it will be group.css. So just create this file in the root directory, and here you need to copy paste these two lines, which is we are importing the fonts which is provided by material icons, and also we are importing this custom font. After importing this, now you can use it inside this HTML. So this will have a class of material icons, and this will be a search icon. So simply put search, and now basically you will have this search icon which is available to you. After this we will have a input field. This will be of type search, and basically the placeholder will be simply search dot dot dot. So after this, guys, we will have a div which will have a logo container class, and here basically we will have an image. Basically the class will be of logo, and here this is the image that we are using here. So you can use any image of your choice, totally depends upon you. Let me paste it now. You can take any image, it's totally depends upon you which image you take. Now you can see this is the logo that we are using, which is Facebook logo. You can see that it's quite large, so we just need to style it using the CSS. So just write this. So basically this section, after this section we will have the profile section, and inside this we will have another image which is for the user profile image, avatar image. So simply copy this, paste it. So now you can see this will be the avatar image that you see. So after this we will have simple text inside the span tag, and here we will simply have the class of name, and here we will simply say hello and replace my name here. So just change here like this. Then we will have three buttons, each having a icon. So this will be material icons. This will be for notifications. This is a bell icon, and the second icon is for the message, which is mode underscore comment. So this is over, and the third and the last button will be for people, the friend request button. So how many friend requests are there? So material, and here you just need to write people, that's it. So now you can see three icons are there, and here you would, after this ending of the ending of this I tag, you will have a span tag which you will say 3 3 and 3. That's it. You can now see there is a span tag, and basically it is showing as a notification. So whenever you click on this, you will see the notification. So this is kind of it. We have attached it. So I think, guys, this completes the header section. So now the header section is completed. So now we basically need to style it. So we will go to group.css, and now we need to style this header section. So it's very easy. After that, you import this uh, custom font and the material icons. We need to now target all the elements with the selector margin 0, padding 0. So this will make sure that no spaces are there. Font family will be this open sans serif, and here we will change the box sizing to border box, and then we will simply say outline to be none, and here we will target the body. So basically the body have padding to the top position will be 60 pixel, and the background will be changed to E8 EA double E. This is the background color, that you can see it is changed to this gray color. So after this, if you see, we have given this container class. I think we haven't given this container class. So after this, basically we will target the header section, and inside this header section we need to say position is equal to fixed, and here you can see top to 0, left to 0, and the background will be equal to this color again, which is 3B5298. So this is a blue color. You can see that the background has changed to height. We will say is 60 pixels. So this will be the height, and the width will be around 60 pixels. So now you can see that width and height is width is 100%. So now you can see that after this we need to also give a padding 60 pixel. So now you can see it has got some space. So now we will style this search field that you see here. So header search. So basically we will now first of all float it in the left direction. We will change the height to 50 pixel, and after this we will change the line height to also 50 pixel. Width I will change to 40 pixel, and color I will change to, you can also change it to red color. You can now see it change to red. So this is the icon that we are styling, and then margin 5 pixel 0. So now basically guys, we will target this input field that you see, header input, and basically we will make the width to 60 pixel, width to 360 pixel. So this will be elongated. You can now see. Background we will change to none. Basically we will change the color, text color to white. So now if you write anything here, it will change to white. We need to float it in the left direction. So now you can see that, and padding we also need to remove it. Font size is 16 pixel. And also we need to set line height to be 60 pixel. So now guys, we will style the placeholder text that you see if you reload the page, which is search. So here basically we will use the pseudo class, which is placeholder. So here we will simply change the color, which is EEE. So now you can see. So now guys, we will style the logo container class. So inside this we will calculate the width using calculate method. From 100% we need to divide, minus 800 pixel. So now you can see that the width is very short here. It is came to, you can see that. And then we need to simply change the display to block and float it in the left direction. So now you can see that guys, the images, all this stuff is showing in that horizontal way. So basically now we will target the logo image that you see. So we will simply say height 50 pixel, width is auto, display is block, and then we will simply say display to margin is equal to 55 pixel auto. So now you can see that logo is successfully styled here. This is the Facebook logo. So it is appearing right here at the middle position. You can see here. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So now, guys, what we need to do, we need to target the button. So header, the button. So here we will simply say display to block. These are the icons that you see. So now they are displaying it in the vertical direction. And then we need to simply say float in the left direction. You can now see it is floating it. Height to be 30 pixel. And also we need to change the width to 30 pixel. So after this, guys, we need to simply change the background to this color. And margin we need to change it to 15 pixel, 30 pixel, 0, 0. So now you can see it has some margin as well. And then we need to float it in the right direction. So background we need to say so it is saying that background to none. So we will remove the background. We will also remove the border as well. And then we will change the text color to white. You can now see. So basically now we will style these numbers that you see, which is 333. So this can be styled using header, button, span. So here we will say position to be relative, float to be right, height to be 16, and color basically we need to change it to this color. Background we need to change it to 5 F5365C. This is the red color that you can see here. So minimum height we will simply say 16 pixel. And also we will mention the background color, which is F5. This is our color. So basically we will give border radius so minimum height here should be 16 pixel and border radius need to be 4 pixels. This will make it as round. And then basically we will say that top is minus 28 pixel, right to minus 4 pixel, and font size will be in 12 px, so 1200. I think this needs to be 12. So now, guys, you can see that the notification bell icons are also spaced. This is the search icon, this is a logo, and this is a profile picture. Up till now we have completed it. So please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So now we need to design like this, if you see on your screen. So here we will simply Now target the profile section, the profile class. So we will give it a width of 400 pixel and float it on the right direction. And then we will target the image. So background is red, width to be 40 pixel, height to be 40 pixel. So basically you can see it will float to the right direction. So you can see that. We simply need to change its border radius. We also need to provide border radius property to make it round. So this will be 50%. So now you can see that, guys, it is completely round. If I not write this, because it is called a square. So you need to say border radius 50%, and also margin from the top position we need to say 10 pixel. So just change to margin. And then basically, guys, this is the name that we will style here. This is appearing right here. It is styled here. We can see the profile picture and this one. So this is very easy. After this, you will simply write header, profile, this is a class, and dot name. So basically you will see it floated in the right direction. Height is 60. Line height. So after we write this, we need to style this. You can see that it moved. We need to provide here line height. So this will also be equal to 60 pixels, so it will now appear in the center position. We need to change its color to white and padding to 0, 110 pixel. So now you can see that it is taking the shape of this. So you can see that. So this header section is now complete, guys. You can see that. So if you see here, there is one problem which is there. This outline is also there. So here you will simply say here you will say border to none. So now you can see the border is now removed here. So simply you can now search here. So this is the application, guys, that you can see. This is the header portion which is complete. Now we need to make the next portion, which is the actual groups, where all these groups will be displayed. This very simple design is there. So basically, guys, we will now move to the facebook.html, and right here inside this HTML section where this header section ends here, basically we will have another container class. So div container, div groups underscore header, and here inside this material icons we will show people. So after this, guys, we will simply say groups. So now you can see that this is the icon and groups. So then after this we will have an anchor tag which will not go to anywhere, and basically we will say discover groups. This is the option inside Facebook. You can search groups here. After this div, we will have group underscore body. So here we will have a span tag which will have the status, whether it's a public or a private group, so or a closed group. Then we will have a simple button. Inside this button we will give it a class of material icons. So here we'll say more underscore horizontal. So you can see that it's a public group. So after this, guys, we need to inside groups body. So here, guys, we will once again have a group class. So inside this group class, you will bind all this like this. So now this will be over. So inside this group class, we will have all this information, whether it's a public or static or private or open group. So after this button, guys, we will have another div which will have the class clear both. So here we will simply replace it by the style attribute. So here we will simply say style is equal to display both. Sorry, clear both. If you refresh it, you will now see. After this, guys, we will have the actual name and the person info. So after this here, simply have another class of space. So you can see that. And basically after this, guys, we will have a simple button whether you need to join this group or not. So it will not go to anything, but it will have a class of action and the text which is join. And then, guys, we will show the images of the Facebook group members after this. These are the images that we have taken from the internet. You can take any image of your choice. So this completes the one set of let me format the document. Let me paste it here. This is the actual group here, so I have to paste it. So, so basically I will just copy paste all the HTML, guys, which is needed for this application. So that way you will be able to better understand. Let me paste it. There's not a lot of HTML. It is very self-explanatory what is happening inside the application. If I open with live server, you will now see. So this is random HTML, guys. It is not styled here. Let me now style it. The header section is complete, just to make like this. So these groups will be appearing in a nice little these windows which have box shadow effect, all these icons will also be displayed. So let's start styling this. So first of all, hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So yeah, I am creating a Facebook group clone kind of a design where you can join multiple groups. So Facebook does have this feature which is called as Facebook groups, where multiple people are present, and basically you can either it can be an open group or a public group. You can join them. So this is the interface that we are building. So first of all, hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So here, let me now write the remaining CSS. So right here, just we have styled up till the header section like this. Let me now style the groups header class. So inside this class, guys, first of all we will put the margin which is 30 pixel 0, and then we will simply say color is this one, color is this FFF, sorry, 444. So now you can see that color is changed here, and we also need to give line height to 60 pixel and height to 60 pixel as well, and font size to be 26 pixel. So now you can see it is bigger in size. So we will now style the actual icon which is present here. So color we will change it to this color, white. Height we will change to 50 pixel, width to also 50 pixel. You can now see. Line height we will again change to 50 pixel. So the background color we will change it to this color, which is 4488FF, and basically we will be giving a border radius of 10 pixel, and float is equal to, we need to float this, so we will be using float. After this we also need to give margin, which is 5 pixel 20 pixel 0 0, and then font size will be 28 pixel. So now it is styled. After this, guys, we will now remove this underline which is on discover A. So here we'll say height to 40 pixel, width to auto. You can see that. Background, once again we will change to this color, which is, and basically we will float it on the right direction. Border radius we also need to give, which is 4 pixel. So margin we need to give here, which is 10 pixel. 0 0 0. You can see that, and then we need to also change the color to this one, white color, and line height we need to change it to 40 pixel, and text decoration we need to remove the underline, so this will be none, and padding is 0 20 pixel. It has got some space now, and after this we also need to change the font size to 16 pixel. So now, guys, this is a button here which is discover button. It is similar looking to this. So 4488FF. So here this is the font size, guys, which is, we need to change the font size to 0.875 EM. This is REM. And the transition we will simply say on 0.15 seconds is, and then we will simply say letter spacing to be 0.825 em. Letter spacing I think needs to be 0.025. So we also need to change the text transform property to uppercase. So this will be now in capital letters. We also need to change the color to white. So color is already white. And we also need to change the border color to this color, which is 3B529A. And also we will also change the background color to this one, similar one. So now it has a dark blue background color. And lastly guys, we will also attach a box shadow. So this will attach this box shadow material design field to it, to this button. You can now see. So now guys, we will target the group's body class, and here we will simply say margin bottom to 50 pixel. And basically we will now target each group. We will be giving a margin bottom from 50 pixel. So here inside this, let me show you. So for each group, basically we will calculate the width and the height dynamically. So width is calculated using calculate method. 100% divided by 3 minus 40 pixel divided by 3. So this is the way by which it calculated guys. 100% needs to be. So this is the width here of the post. And also you need to put here height as constant, which is 300 pixel. So you can see now background we need to change to white. Padding we need to set to 15 pixel. Float left. Border radius is 10 pixel. So now you can see that guys, we have these uh, groups here like this. Each group has this property. So we will apply this property guys, which is box shadow, to this group. So simply apply this and just see the look here on the right hand side. So it has applied this box shadow. You can see that guys. After applying this, it becomes very much easy. You need to give margin 20 pixel 0 and border top left radius 0, border bottom right radius 0, and also border bottom left radius, so 0.25 RA. So I think bottom right and left has the same value, so I can simply paste it. And now lastly we will put the box shadow effect once again guys. Simply paste it from the description of the slide stream. So now you can see we have this nice little box shadow effect. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So I see only 20 people have liked the stream. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. Let me now make it step by step. So after this, guys, we will simply say a group nth child. We will target 3n plus 2. So for this, we will change the margin to 20 pixel like this. And now we will target the group and the status class, whether it's a public or a private group. So display will be inline block, float block. So now you can see that. Basically, this will be float, sorry, left. And we will also give height to 24 pixel, line height to be 24 pixel. We will say that padding is 0, 10 pixel, color is white. So color is white. After this, guys, we will simply say border radius to be 3 pixel. So now you can see that. Font weight is 600. Font size to be 24 pixel. And after this, we will also provide border color, which is F5 365C. So this is the red color. If you, I think you cannot see that. We will change the background color and also we will provide a box shadow. So simply do it. Now, guys, you will see that we have this showing, which is a public group. So it's a closed group, public group. So now we need to make it smaller so that it looks nice. So basically now what we will do, we will target our group button class. First of all, we will make it on the right position. We will give height to 24 pixel, width to 24 pixel, and background we will remove the background and border as well. So you can see that. So this is a button that we are talking about, which is the join and the open button. After this, guys, what we need to say, we will target the group name class. Inside this, guys, first of all, we need to change the display property to block, which is the actual group name. So inside this, we will simply say line height, which is equal to 30 pixel. And here we will simply say padding is 30 pixel, sorry, 10 pixel, 0, 0, 0. So color, we need to say text color needs to be gray. Font size, we need to increase it to 18 pixel. Font weight to 600. Text align to be left. You can see that. So now you can see it is changed to bold color. You can see that. And after this, you will simply say group unread. So unread basically means all the messages that are not read by the user. Display block, line height to be 20 pixel, padding 4 pixel 0, font size is 14 pixel, and text align to left. So Now that's it. After this, guys, we will give a space here, style this space class, and give the height 195 pixel. So now you will see it has got some space as well. And basically now we will target the paragraph that you see inside the group. Display block, line height to be 26 pixel, padding is 4 pixel 0, so you can see that. And also this is text color, font size, height, overflow hidden, so simply paste it. So now you can see that this is a paragraph. After that, guys, we will style this action button that you see here. This is either this join and open button. So basically we will try to style this action button as well. So if you're watching it for the very first time, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So this join and the open button. So basically we will simply say group action, and here we will simply say display to block, and we will float it in the left position. So you can see that. And width we will simply say to 80 pixel, and color we will simply say is white. Text decoration we will remove the underline, which is none. Padding we will simply say is 0.50 pixel, and background color we will change it to this color, which is 0099 BB. This is a color. You can now see. We will give it a height of 36 pixel. Line height will also be 36 pixel. And basically we will say border radius to 3 pixel. And margin 5 pixel 0. We will align it in the center position. So text align center. After this, guys, we also need to provide a border around it, so the color of the border will be again 00. This one. So we also need to put a box shadow, guys, which is this one. So this is a box shadow you can see here, and font weight you can see which needs to 600. Text transform to be uppercase. So you can now see all in capital letters. Font size we need to change to 14 pixel. So now you can see. So this button is styled now. So now, guys, what we need to do, we need to style this button, which is appearing in green color. You will now see. So we need to make sure that all the public groups have the green color, or all the this groups have this color. So we can simply say group and action green. So we'll simply change the border color of these colors 00AA55, and background color 0AA5. So this is border color. So like this, guys. So now we will need to style the group members, which is 288, like this. So for doing it, we will style this dot group dot members. So inside this, guys, we will calculate the width using calculate method, which is 100% minus 100 pixel. This is the width is, we will float in the right direction, and the height is 46 pixel. You can now see 288 is coming right here in the right direction. So we will try to style this image, which is group members image image height is 46 pixel and width is also 46, and we need to float it in the right direction, and background it will be red as you see. So now you can see background, you can see it is red, and we need to make it circle, so we will simply say border radius 50%, and margin we need to say is 0 minus 8 pixel 0 0, and color we need to change it to white, and border we need to change it to 2 pixels solid white. So now you can see that. So now basically we need to make it such that like this, such this effect. So for doing this we will now also need to target the span tag. So we'll simply say width is 46 pixel, height is also so width and height is again 46. Float it in the right direction. Background is still red. Border radius is still 50%. So all these styles which are repeating here, you can now see. And margin 0 minus 8 pixel 0 0. Text align to center. Font weight to be 600. You can now see. We need to say border 2 pixels solid white. And font size we will simply need to change to 12 pixel. You can now see text align, font size, font weight, background color. So background color we need to change this to this color, which is F5 F5 365C. This is a color, guys, you can see that. Again the color needs to be white. That's it. So that's it, guys. This is all the styles which will be there for this application. So now you can see it is almost complete here. You can now see 288. So this is the overall design that we have developed in this tutorial. So all the source code of this application will be there inside the description of this video. You can now see this is the overall interface, Facebook group, UI design, clone in HTML and CSS. You can go to the description of this live stream to copy paste all the source code. There is just a single index.html required for this, not any bootstrap, tailwind CSS, semantic UI, or Bulma CSS. No other external framework is used. Only this vanilla HTML and CSS. So please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. I am seeing that many people are not liking the content. Please make Instagram UI design. Okay, definitely in the future I will definitely try to make Instagram as well. Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, all these social networks I will definitely try to make a clone of it. Tumblr, Pinterest, Reddit, all those social networks. So please hit the like button, guys, subscribe the channel. So 30 people are watching the stream, only 28 likes are there. So just hit that thumbs up button that is there here. Let me show you that animation. So the animation is there, you can see that, guys. This is the thumbs up button that you need to click below your video. If you see there is a thumbs up button out there, simply click that button and also subscribe the channel as well, like this. So Okay, I will definitely make the grid section such as Pinterest. So it will be very much fun little experience building Pinterest. So guys, if you have any sort of question, you can ask it in the comment section. I will definitely want to reply to those questions. And let me start a new poll here. So let me ask related to Pinterest. Let me ask about myself. Predict what is my age. So basically I'm giving you four options looking at my face. So first option is 21, second is 27, then is 29, and this one is 25. So just predict the age, guys. You will see this is a poll going on here. So simply let me just see what how good you understand me looking at my face. So what is my age? So basically tell me in the prediction. Let me see. Um, Havok, why are you saying this? Because this PC is very much optimized for coding experience. It's a very expensive laptop that I bought. It's Asus, I think Asus Tough Gaming laptop is there. So it has got a lot of GPU, RAM as well. So I think that it's a very good laptop for programming and for streaming as well. Also for gaming experience as well. So I think it's a very good laptop. And if you are experiencing any sort of lag while watching the video, whether it's quality wise or coding wise, are you experiencing any sort of lag? Can you tell me any sort of lag that you're experiencing? I think I don't expect any sort of lag. It's a very optimized PC. It has got a lot of RAM. It has got a lot of good apps installed inside this. RAM is almost 8 GB. So also it has got GTX GPU. I think it's a very good coding experience I've got. No lag, no experience. So I think it's very good experience that it is looking. So basically you will see I'm using OBS Studio for this recording purposes, and you can now see the stream here, which is 9237. This is the bit rate of this stream. You can see here which programming language is good for future. I will definitely recommend Python or JavaScript. These are the two programming languages I could recommend you as a beginner, as a noob. If you're not an intermediate or expert developer, I will definitely recommend either Python or Java. Don't go for uh, PHP or Java. These are very difficult languages. C++ also. These are not languages for beginners. You just definitely either learn JavaScript or Python. Or if you're a fully beginner, I will definitely go with Python because Python is so simple language. It doesn't have a complex syntax, and my personal experience in coding with Python is very good. And yeah, definitely I will make the video on Pinterest tomorrow. So make sure that you watch those videos. Also hit the like button, guys. You are not liking the content. You are just don't coding ideas. Don't ask those questions. So I will block you if you cross the line. So simply don't do that stuff. This channel is not for that. So search up best VS Code settings and watch the first one. That's how I set up VS Code. Yeah, VS Code settings is quite good. I have fully optimized it, so I don't experience any sort of lag. VS Code is fully optimized, and it's a very good software for developing apps. Atom is also very good. So VS Code, just see these settings, it's very much optimized. I have installed some extensions. If you see, this is the Dart extension. I have installed it for the programming language. Excel viewer as well, Flutter, JSON5 syntax. So these are the recommended extensions which pre-installs comes. This is Python intelligence, Tailwind instead CSS intelligence. So it's got a lot of plugins, extensions, Visual Studio, and Vue language also. So and Docker also. These are some of the extensions I have installed, and also this live server. This is the most important extension. Basically, it starts your live server. So it is made by this person, which is Ritwik Tay. So it has got almost 25 million downloads, installs. So it's launched a development local server with live reload functionality. So you can see open with live server. So if you make any sort of change here, without it will auto reload. You can see the change will be seen here. So this is a great extension, so definitely install it. So you can see that. So apart from that, Visual Studio is quite good for setting up or doing any sort of programming experience. So I will definitely recommend. Which theme you are saying? Which is everything so zoomed in? For learning, what is this? Shivang is saying how to get job as a front-end developer as fresher. Basically, you need to learn concepts of HTML and CSS very efficiently, design some interfaces such as these Facebook clones, Pinterest clone. Inside your resume, just uh, your resume, just put these applications, and definitely your interviewer will definitely get impressed by that. So yeah, definitely build some projects first of all. Don't just watch videos, also code and watch, build something. Yeah, React is a wonderful front-end framework, so just learn React. I don't have Discord. And Night Owl theme that you're talking about, it's a very good theme. And if you search for this, I think this is a theme that you're talking about, which is Night Owl. Let me install it. So you can see that. This is a light version. This is a dark version. You can now see. This is this one. So I personally don't like this theme. It is very much low in brightness, so I don't like the color also. It's very, the colors are not looking quite good inside this theme. So I don't like this extension. So let me just uninstall this. So there are very much thousands of themes available for Visual Studio. Let me install this one, Tokyo Night. You can now see. So whichever theme that you like, you can do like this. I don't think so. I'll install this. So various themes are there. So let me do it dark blue. This one looks good. If you see here, it looks quite good. The syntax is also highlighted properly, and you can see here. If you write any sort of code here, you can now see quite good this theme. And personally, I liked it. So please hit the like button, guys. Subscribe the channel as well. Only 33 likes are there, so the target likes will be 50 likes. So just hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. I am pursuing a course on full stack web development, so having Java as backend is good on one stack. So in the latest job experience, I will definitely recommend OneStack because MongoDB is a very trending database, Express also, and React we need to learn, and Node.js. So React alongside with MongoDB is a classic combination we need to learn for job placement. So, okay, Java I think is not in demand right now. Java is not trending, so I don't think so you need to invest time in Java. You can develop Java web applications using Java server pages, JSP, but uh, developing web applications using Java is a very old concept and no company is hiring Java developers for web applications. Java is primarily used in Android applications such as Kotlin. Um, it is used to make Android applications, not web applications. How much TSA is required for OneStack? Please help. Data, I think DSA stands for data and algorithms. There is nothing that much is required DSA language knowledge. It's just that you just need to require at least some experience in learning React. First of all, learn these frameworks: React.js, Vue.js, Angular, Insight, Node.js, and Express, and then you definitely will be able to have a job. I don't have a Discord, so I don't like Discord. So I don't know how to regulate it, so it's not a good idea to install Discord. No, that will be time waste. You can just ask your questions here. It's a nice experience. I do live streams daily, so just put this here. So you can see, guys, 31 votes are there. Let me tell you the answer here in the chat box. The correct age is 25. It is 25. It got the least vote. You can see 13% it got. Almost 39% predicted it was 29. So it was very incorrect. My age was 25. So don't I look 25 to you guys? Um, Dev community and the Medium are good website also. Yeah, definitely various websites are there, various YouTube channels are also there. Traversy Media, the New Boston, Medium.com, uh, various YouTube channels are there. Uh, if you talk about this Medium.com, basically it's a subscription based tutorials website. You need to buy their membership to read articles. So it's very much low membership, which is almost I think it's $5 to $7. So after that, you can get unlimited access to their videos and blog posts. They also offer a 7-day trial. Just sign in with your Google account. So there is also, if you write here, top YouTube channels for programming. So Coding Train is also good. He also explains the concept in a very good manner. It is run by a computer programmer, Daniel Schiffman. If you search it, if you search who is Daniel, So now it is a computer programmer, you can see 49 years. So he's a programmer for board of directors of. So he runs his own YouTube channel. You can see that it is called as Coding Train. Then we got our famous channel Net Ninja. It is also very good for learning about tutorials, web development, programming. Direct Panas, it's a popular channel. Then we got Programming with Mosh, Academine, Free Code Camp, Traversy Media, New Boston. So these are some of the popular channels, guys. You can take the reference. Dev Tips, Dev Tips also. Kevin Powell for CSS. Treehouse. Treehouse basically it's a membership website where you can learn programming courses. So team.treehouse. Treehouse programming. Team Treehouse. So this is the website, guys. You can see best online coding classes. So if you want to learn online coding, so you can try it for 7 days. Basically, it also offers a tech degree. Teams offer. So fully high level, full HD coding videos are there. So they have their own full stack JavaScript, basically front end development, UX design, data analysis, Python development. So this is their demo if you want to see. So they also have a free trial. You can sign up for a free trial. Just add your credit card information. You can see here. On-demand expert-led video courses are there. Interactive practice sessions, access to online community of fellow students. So I think it's a very good website. So if you have any sort of doubt, guys, you can ask in the comment section. W3 schools and MDN also. Yeah. Does touching, typing help in coding? I am so slow on keyboard. No, you need to be doing the coding through keyboard only. Touch typing is not that much helpful. If you want to do it, you need to increase your typing speed. Then only you can code at a rapid pace. So this is required if you want to be a good coder. You need to be coding at a nice pace.